students, very good morning. Myself Rakesh Yadav, belonging to Sandipani Higher Secondary School, Rajoda. Please watch this video till last, like it, subscribe it and share it as much as possible. Our topic is quadratic equations related to class 12, it is class 10. It is our chapter number 4 of class 10, NCERT, exercise 4.3. Question is, find the roots of quadratic equations by applying quadratic formula. Here question number first in this second question, that is 2x square minus 7x plus 3 is equal to 0. Here on comparing with ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. A is equal to 2, B is equal to minus 7 and C is equal to 3. In place of A, 2 is there. In place of B, minus 7 is there. In place of C, 3 is there. So these value we have to apply in quadratic formula. So let me mention the quadratic formula. Before this, discriminant you may find it before applying formula also, and in formula also you can do. But if you will determine discriminant, then you will come to know that either this equation is having solution or not. The root is existing or not. So let us find discriminant first of all. This we will assign from next time as D. Remember this. Discriminant is called D. The value of discriminant is b square minus 4ac. That is equal to minus 7 square minus 4 into 2 into 3. Minus 7 square minus 4 into 2 into 3. That is 49 minus 4 to the 8 is 24. So it will be equal to 25, which is greater than 0. Because D is greater than 0, therefore roots exist. Now we may apply quadratic formula. So our quadratic formula, which is called Sridharacharya's formula also. This formula which I am telling here is called Sridharacharya's formula also. That formula we have determined in our previous lecture, that you have seen it. So quadratic formula I am assigning. X is equal to minus b plus minus root d. You may write it d also, because b square minus 4ac we have determined here. So you may write directly d here upon 2a. So it will be equal to x is equal to minus 7 plus minus root 25 upon 2 into value of a is 2. So now this will become x is equal to plus 7, minus into minus is plus, so positive 7 plus minus root 25 is 5. You may write it in root and do factors also here upon 2 to the 4. Because 25 you can write 5 into 5. That 5 pair is formed. So you may take it out from the root. So this will become x is equal to 7 plus minus 5 upon 4. On taking positive sign. If you take positive sign from this, then this will become x is equal to 7 plus 5 upon 4. On taking negative sign, so this will become x is equal to 7 minus 5 upon 4. So here it is 12 upon 4. So 4 3s are 12. and here it is 2 upon 4, that is equal to 1 upon 2. So x is equal to 3 and x is equal to 1 by 2. These are the values which we got by applying this quadratic formula or Sridharacharya's formula. So this first question is over. Now in next question, it is question number 2. The equation is x square plus x minus 4 is equal to 0. On comparing with ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, we can get value of a, that is equal to 1, because coefficient is not there of x square. Not there means what? 1 is understood. Here coefficient of x is also 1 because nothing is there with x, means 1 is there. 1 into x square is x square, 1 into x is x. So you may write here 1 and 1, and in place of c it is minus 4. So a is equal to 1, b is equal to 1 and c is equal to minus 4. Now discriminant d is equal to b square minus 4ac, that is equal to 1 square minus 4 into 1 into minus 4. So you may write it 1, minus into minus is plus, 4 4s are 16. So the value of discriminant is 17, which is greater than 0. So it is greater than 0 because d is greater than 0. Therefore roots exist. Quadratic formula now. That is equal to x is equal to minus b plus minus under root discriminant upon 2a. You may write it b square minus 4ac also, but why we are not writing it? Because we have determined d. Directly put this value of d here in place of d and value of b and a from here. These are the values of a, b and c respectively. A, b and c. Now, on putting these values in quadratic formula, this will become x is equal to minus 1 plus minus under the root 17, because discriminant is 17. So x is equal to minus 1 plus minus root 17 upon 2 into value of a is 1. So x is equal to minus 1 plus minus root 17 upon 2. X is equal to, on taking positive sign, and on taking negative sign. This will become x is equal to minus 1 plus root 17 upon 2. That we may write x is equal to root 17 minus 1 upon 2. This is our answer. Because this minus sign is there, we may shift it afterwards as a second term, and positive term is written in front. So on taking negative sign, this will become minus 1 minus root 17. So x is equal to minus 1 minus root 17 upon 2. So you may take minus sign common from here. If you take minus sign common, both will become positive. It will become root 17 plus 1 upon 2. So these are the two answers of our quadratic equation, or two roots we can say. These are called roots of equation also, or values of x also. This question is also over. Here our third question, 4x square plus 4 root 3x is equal to 3. So let it be a standard form first of all. So for that we have to transpose this 3 from RHS to LHS. So this will become 4x square plus 4 root 3x minus 3 is equal to 0. On comparing with ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, then this will become, in place of a 4 is there, coefficient of x square, that is a is equal to 4, b is equal to 4 root 3, this is also well clear, and c is equal to minus 3. These are the values of a, b, c on comparing with standard form of quadratic equation. Now d is equal to b square minus 4ac, that is equal to 4 root 3 square minus 4 into minus 3, that is equal to 4 square is 16 and root 3 square is 3. 16 3s are 48. Minus into minus is plus, 4 4s are 16 3s are 48. So it will become 96, that is greater than 0. So because d is greater than 0, therefore roots exist. Now we may apply quadratic formula. So our quadratic formula is x is equal to minus b plus minus root d upon 2a. You may put the values of a, b and d there. D we have determined already, that is 96. So it will be x is equal to minus value of b is 4 root 3 plus minus under the root 96 upon 2 into value of a. See, value of a is 4. So now minus b, that is 4 root 3, and d, that is root 96 upon 2 into 4. So x is equal to minus 4 root 3 plus minus root 96. You can break because it is 4 into 4 means 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 16 3s are 48, and 48 2s are 96 means 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. See, 4 is 2 into 2, this 4 is 2 into 2, 4 times 2 is there, and 1 2 is for, because this is 2 times, it is 96. So 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 16 2s are 32, and 32 3s are, that is 96 upon 8. So here 2 pairs are formed of 2. So it may be written as x is equal to, here 4 is there in place of a, 4 is there, so 2 into 4. So this will be minus 4 root 3 plus minus 2 to the 4. So minus 4 root 3 plus minus 4 root 6 upon 8. So we may take 4 common here. If we take 4 common, then what will happen? Minus root 3. You may take 4 root 3 also common from here. So this will become minus 1 plus minus root 2 upon 8. So this will become 4 2s are 8. So this will be x is equal to minus root 3 plus minus root 6 upon 2. It will be 4 minus root 3 plus minus root 6 upon 2. You may write because 4 is taken common. So if you take root 3 common, then also it is possible. Now take positive sign. What will happen? On taking positive sign, this will become x is equal to minus root 3 plus root 6 upon 2, and on taking negative sign, this will become x is equal to minus root 3 minus root 6 upon 2. So these are the two values which we have determined. These are the values of this quadratic equation. In place of c, it is minus 3. So it is 4, 4 the 16, 3 the 48. 48 plus 48 is 96. So 96, you may take 4 from here, 2 to the 4 to the 8 to the 16, 16 to the 32, 32 3 the, that is 96 only. So these are the final answers for this question. You may take minus sign common from here also. This question is over. In this question, again we have to find the roots of quadratic equation by quadratic formula. The question is 2x square plus x plus 4 is equal to 0. Here, on comparing with ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, a is equal to 2, b is equal to 1, c is equal to 4. So now we may find discriminant, that is equal to b square minus 4ac, which will be equal to square of 1 minus 4 into 2 into 4. So it will be 1 minus 4 4 the 16 to the 32. So it will be minus 31, which is less than 0. Because d is less than 0, therefore roots do not exist. Now please tell me one thing. In previous two questions of question number 2, our answer varies with the answer of NCERT because there was somewhat mistake in either in question or in answer. So please listen to me. If in previous question if there was 3 in LHS, then it will be positive 3. But if it is in RHS, that is given in RHS, so it will become negative 3. Our solution is absolutely correct, but answer varies. Our main aim is to apply the quadratic formula and determine the roots according to the given conditions. So according to the given conditions, we have solved both the equations in a very proper manner, and those answers are valid. But if we take sign which we have taken negative, that 3 we have taken negative there because it is given in RHS part. If it will be taken in LHS as a positive 3, that answer will match the NCERT answer sheet. So these are the solutions of our quadratic equations by quadratic formula of determining the roots. So roots here do not exist, and before this lecture we have done these questions only by our completing the square method. So thanks for watching it till last, and please do subscribe, like and share our channel Sandipani Higher Secondary School Rajodha.